Good morning, beavers. Good morning, monkeys. How are you? I hope you liked the last video, the fifth video. So today we're going to be reviewing the ch. The ch. Ch is C-H. We're going to be reading a book called The Bench and Weird Things on the Bench. We see a chip on the bench. Chips, yummy chips and dips. We see a cherry on the bench. Healthy, very healthy. We see a lunch on the bench. I wonder what you guys had for lunch today. We see a chest on the bench. Oh, maybe the pirates left it there. We see an inch on the bench. This is an inch. We see punch on the bench. So a punch is a kind of juice that is put in a big bowl and you put it in a cup and you drink from it. These were the words in the book: chip, cherry, lunch, chest, inch, and punch. Now it's your turn to write me words starting with ch or ending with ch. Get a paper, a pencil, and colors, and I want you to draw me pictures and write the words under them. Use good handwriting and nice pictures. I cannot wait to see them when we meet in Zoom. Have a good day, guys. Stay safe and eat healthy foods. And we miss you very, very much.